Welcome back to the channel, and today we are continuing our career mode in Nascar 06, Total Team Control. We will be continuing with the Craftsman Truck Series, and we will be racing, I think, at UPS. Yes, at UPS. I will see you guys at the race.
EA Sports and the UPS International Speedway welcome you to tonight's NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series event. It's short track racing at its finest, and it's a perfect evening for the event. Who will win the race for the checkered flag? We're about to find out.
Okay, so we qualified P7 up towards the front. We'll see how this goes. Let's get started.
Okay, here we go. Let's jump on it. Come on. Still there.
Got a little too hot there.
Still there. Let's keep this pace going. Good all around.
Tight on exit. Little contact up in front of us, it looked like, between the 10 truck and the 38 truck.
The leader. Let's make our move.
Truck kind of makes you dizzy a little bit. It's trucks. I remember racing this with the modifieds, and I don't remember getting like slightly dizzy. Well, that's okay. We'll manage.
Leader only has about a second on you.
Being very conservative right now. A little contact between the 6 and the 50.
Still hanging on.
A lot of off throttle time in
Taking another
quarters.
position with that pass. Clear, clear, all clear. Leader's about a second and a half ahead.
There's our points leader, Chase Montgomery. He's mad at us. See if we can fix that. Okay, we're back to the neutral with him.
Just 1 second, just 1 second
We
back.
can make him ally. There we go. Back to an ally. Nice and smooth. This is working alright. Ooh, some contact there between the 6 and the 38 it appeared.
Leader in your crosshairs. Let's make it happen.
Well, little contact.
Wait, outside, outside.
Just let him know he's there. Got 2 spots on that one.
Stay hungry. Number 38 just got to run low.
Look like that 18 truck's starting to come alive, making his way back towards the front.
Careful, buddy.
We're gonna slam into the wall.
No.
Try to get back down to the bottom of the track.
Okay, we're clear.
A little contact there between us and the 99. No foul though. Nice smooth laps. Seems to be working pretty well for us. Some smooth laps. Got to a throttle a little earlier there. Made the exit a little tight.
Halfway on fuel.
Dang, halfway off the fuel already, huh? So around lap 30 we should be pitting. Maybe a little bit before. See how our tire wear is. Not quite sure what we want to do for a pit strategy just yet. laid off the throttle there a little bit, lost a little bit of time. Get back into it. Ooh, real nice turn there. Truck turned really nice. Jeez, Montgomery losing a few spots. Looks like we may lose one to us. We may get this 10 truck here too.
That's the way to do it.
Yes, we'll lose 10 truck. Up to P3. See if we can get this lead. The 38 truck seems strong though. Might be a little hard. 18 truck all over our back bumper.
Work with the leader. Let's see if we can break away from the pack.
Yeah, I'm getting a little tight. Might end up giving that spot back up.
All clear. Try to take it easy on that right front tire.
Tire. Starting to see some tire wear.
Down low.
10 truck to the inside. Probably gonna complete that pass. See if we can get him back in this corner. Yeah, a little contact. No harm, no foul. And they're pulling away a little bit. I'd like to run a few more laps. At least go over halfway.
Nascar says that's halfway. Keep doing what you've been doing. We're right where we need to be.
I'd like to go with these guys. I'll pit when these guys
Keep an
pit.
eye out.
Hopefully we stay together. I'm thinking 4 tires fuel for our pit stop. Whoa. Checking up. Some guys coming off pit road.
A couple top 5 cars are on their way into the pit. The 138 car is making contact. Up to third, buddy. Come on, man. You're in third.
I am going to pit this time. Pitting this time.
Keep an eye on that left front tire.
If I can get down.
A little bump there with the 6 cars.
That was a little rough. I'm going to make a... not going to hurt him. I'm going to make a slight wedge adjustment. Loosen it up just a tad.
Adding fuel.
Oh man, problems on pit road. That's gonna slow us down. Probably gonna cost us a few spots. Dang. Alright, let's see what we can do. See if we can make anything up. We're gonna come out P8.
105. There you go. All clear. Come on, buddy. We're 6 seconds back. Let's get up there. 20 more.
That mistake on pit road cost us a lot of time. Now I gotta run a little bit more aggressive. I wanna try and make anything up. I'm not sure if these are for position or not, because I know we're in lap traffic now.
Go outside.
Oh, big contact there.
Keep it together.
Oh,
You're doing
really big
fine.
contact.
You're fine
Oh.
now. Just 6 seconds separates you and the leader.
Well, dang. Alrighty, I got nothing. Terrible driving. Being distracted. That's what happened. I got distracted by those two making contact. Okay. We're still up towards the front. I know we got a lot of damage. No, we're not gonna pit. Nope. We're gonna take our chance. See what happens.
Let's go. The 135 car is
contact there between the 50 and the 99.
1.5 seconds off the leader, buddy.
I think that 50 truck may be a lap down. Not quite sure. In the top 10, but let's see if we can get past the 10. I don't believe the 123 is for position. I think that's a lap truck. Yes, he's a lap truck.
The 123 car just got to run high.
I don't even think the 120 might be for position. 164, that's for position, so we'll take that. 18 should be for position. 18 at 99. Not sure about this 120 truck. 120 was not for position. Ooh. I saw that just in time. Get off me.
18 cars,
Now we got a battle on the outside, which is not where I want to be. Much rather be to the inside.
Number 99, just got a run on you.
There we go, just like that. That's bad.
Both sides clear. 2 seconds back now, 2 seconds.
Now we're gonna make contact with the 18. And now we got the 38 truck on our inside. These trucks don't like the outside, so I had to do everything that I possibly can to stay on the inside.
That'll drop you down a spot. Don't worry, we'll get it back.
Oh, the 18 truck. Well, I don't know what happened there. The 18 truck must have had a major problem. He just went up the track, took us with us. He took us with him. We got major damage. Major damage. But I don't want to. Not enough time. Not going to give it the track position, so we are not going to pit. This may even take us to the end of the race. I'm not sure. So we're gonna go green for one lap.
Let's go. Let's put it out, boys. Number 164 is looking low.
Oh, the truck doesn't turn with all that damage.
Okay, you lost the spot. Don't worry about it.
Oh man, I got wrecked again.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, so finished P28. We had a lot better day than that though. Just got caught up in some stuff there at the end. One of my doing, and 2 of other people's. And I thought we were making friends, but it turns out we made a lot of rivals. So, yeah. Let's check the race results. Ron Hornaday with the win. Eubanks finishing 11th after start P9. And then we're next in P28. Although our day was a lot better than that. Just got caught up in some things. Fisher finished P30 after starting P13. Golston started P11, finished P35th. Right around where he always finishes. He's pretty terrible. But anywho, I'll see you guys back at the home screen. Alright, we got one phone call. Let's check it out. Ace Moneymaker, Angry Driver. Oh boy. Who we make mad now?
Hey, dude, I don't know what happened out there on that track. I was getting a pedicure from a bikini model, but wow, you
good
have
for
got
you.
this guy hot under the collar. He called me up looking for you. Now, I don't know what to tell him, so why don't you let me know what to say when I get back to him?
Okay, problem is I don't know who it is. So, yeah, we'll just apologize. Okay, so, next race. So, I have a showdown with Elliot Sadler, I believe. I am not going to record that one. I'll do that one off screen. But our next race, which will be the next video, will be a modified race at UPS. I think we ran a modified race there before, so hopefully all that experience will help. And the next truck race will be at IRP. Okay. Alright. Let's check season standings real quick. So Chase Montgomery's still the points leader. I believe he actually extended his lead a little bit more. I'd have to go back and check that from last video, but I think that's the case. Wilson Eubanks, P12, 622 points behind. We're P26, 957 points behind. Fisher 33rd and Goldstein 35th. So, alright. So, yeah, moral of this video is wrong place, wrong time, getting caught up in other people's business. That happens sometimes, so no big deal. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. It lets me know that I'm doing a good job and that you guys enjoy this content. Also, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, get notifications every time I upload. Also, leave a comment if there's anything you guys would like to see, or suggestions that I could be doing better. Let me know. Have yourselves a great day, great night, and I will see you guys very, very soon.